ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬನ್ನಿ Welcome to the Kannada Speakeasy, the Bangalore non-locals handy guide to the local language. Speakeasy, an establishment that illegally sells alcoholic beverages, came into prominence in the Prohibition era in America in the 1920s and 30s. The Kannada Speakeasy, a virtual hangout for Bangalore's non-locals where they can pick up random bits of trivia and information about the local language and the locals. Bangalore non-local, a species that came into prominence in the early 2000s and has been steadily growing since. Defining characteristics: 1. Complaints about the traffic, the lack of infrastructure, the pub curfew time. 2. Proceeds to settle down here. In other words, you. Bangalore local, a gentle, friendly and nearly extinct species. Defining characteristics: 1. Occasionally rouses itself from curd-rice-induced lethargy to complain bitterly about the non-locals. 2. Proceeds to smile at them and speak to them in their language. In other words, us. And now that that's sorted, let's get straight to the Kannada Speakeasy. Okay, let's get one thing straight right at the beginning. Auto drivers and locals in general have one simple way of looking at non-locals. And on that cheerful note, let's go straight to our brain scrambling quiz question. The correct way to start a conversation with a Bangalore auto driver is Yenna Raskala Lopar nan magane. Bhai Saab, none of the above. So there are two ways you could say nan magane. Nan magane or nan magane. So what do you say to a Bangalore auto driver then? Try these. Sir, ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಂದಿರಾನಗರ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? MG ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?